Number 5. Number 4. Number 3. Number 2.
Special military operation in Ukraine, Russia deployed 4 of its newest Sukhoi Su-57 fighter jets, combined to work in a network, to identify and destroy Ukrainian air defense systems. They successfully conducted a SEAD, suppression of enemy air defenses, operation inside Ukraine. According to a Russian source, the Russian aerospace forces carried out an operation to identify and destroy Ukrainian air defense systems using a flight of 4 newest Su-57 multifunctional fighters. The aircrafts were combined into an information network through automatic communication systems, data transmission, navigation, and identification in real time, said the source of the agency. The source noted that combining the aircraft in a single information space increases the efficiency of identifying and hitting targets. He also specified that the low radar visibility of the Su-57 was confirmed. What is a SEAD operation? SEAD simply means the suppression of enemy air defenses. SEAD is a special military operation used to completely destroy the enemy air defense system network, which includes the destruction of enemy anti-aircraft weapons, such as anti-air missile launcher battery, anti-aircraft artillery guns. SEAD also means the destruction of enemy radars and C-cube systems, command, control, and communication. These targets are destroyed by the use of advanced weapons such as air-to-surface missiles or laser-guided bombs. In modern aerial warfare, SEAD missions can constitute as much as 30% of all sorties launched in the first week of combat and continue at a reduced rate through the rest of a campaign. The destruction of enemy air defense system network can be done either by conducting air strikes or deceiving them through the use of anti-radiation missiles. About Su-57 fighter. The Su-57 is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Russian aircraft manufacturer JSC Sukhoi. The Su-57 was originally designed to succeed the Mikoyan MiG-29 and Su-27. Along with its capability of aerial combat, the aircraft can also be used for conducting ground attack and maritime strike missions. The Su-57 incorporates several advanced features such as supercruise, supermaneuverability, stealth, etc. Currently, Russian aerospace forces operates a few numbers of this aircraft. The aircraft is also being marketed by Russia for export to several countries such as Turkey, UAE, India, etc. The Su-57 has the maximum takeoff weight capacity of 35,000 kilograms, 77,162 pounds. The aircraft is operated by the crew of 1 pilot. The aircraft is fitted with anti-radiation missiles. The aircraft can also carry unguided bombs and cluster munitions.
Number 1.